Hello everyone, my name is Moonrathore and you're watching Art by Moon. Today we are going to make something really cool and special. It's Spider-Man. To make this art piece, I have used acrylic pencil, some paint brushes, my color palette, micron pens, Camlin Brush Pen, Steadler Watercolor brush pens, and some POSCA markers. Let's start with sketching. Actually, the sketching took 15 minutes. After sketching, I'm using micron pen 05. First I'll outline it, then I will rub the pencil marks. Now I'm using red acrylic paint for Spider-Man's costume. Apply the paint with water. From now I start using Pster Colours. The process is really simple and fun. I have used black brush pen from Camlin for the eyes. Give it as much as details you can. Drawing a bit sketchy look. I have used black brush pen for the Spider-Man's costume and white POSCA marker for highlights and some extra details. I have also used pencil color like purple for the eyes and orange for the costume. Actually, it was really fun doing this. This is how my final masterpiece looks like. Hope the process and idea is helpful for you. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and comment down below how you like it. Thank you.